But Didi, it's like cheating only, na? What's the point now?
Shut up.
Hey everyone, it's your girl Shalini. Welcome back to my channel. I really hope you all are doing well. मुझे पता है मैं काफ़ी दिनों बाद कंटेंट पोस्ट कर रही हूँ इस चैनल पे. इनफैक्ट मैं फिल्म भी काफ़ी दिनों बाद कर रही हूँ वीडियो. ओके काफ़ी कुछ चल रहा है दुनिया में. आप लोगों को तो पता ही है, सेकेंड वेव चालू हो चुका है एंड आई वॉज नॉट एट द राइट स्टेट ऑफ माइंड टू लाइक फिल्म एनी कॉन्टेंट एंड मोर और लेस एडिट एनी कॉन्टेंट. आई वॉज फीलिंग सो डीमोटिवेटेड, सो अनइंटेंशनल वाला मैंने ब्रेक ले लिया. Anyway, I'm back here, okay? I'll be posting more fun content now for you all back to back on this channel. In today's video, I'll be testing and using my elder sister's makeup products. Okay, if you don't know already, I have an elder sister. Her name is Sangeeta Mandal. She is 1 year elder to me. वो मेरे चैनल पे काफ़ी बार आ चुकी है. अगर आप लोग ने मेरे व्लॉग्स देखे होंगे तो आपको पता ही होगा कि I have an elder sister. Now talking about her skin tone and skin type, so we have similar skin type. I have combination skin and she also has combination skin, but our skin tone is so different. She's quite fairer as compared to my skin tone, like 2 shades fairer to me. So हमारा जो बेस प्रोडक्ट्स है ना वो काफ़ी डिफ़र करने वाला है, ये मुझे पता है. बट हम लोग सिमिलर ब्रांड्स यूज़ करते हैं, वो भी मुझे पता है. नाउ दिस इज़ हर मेकअप pouch and makeup bag. This is all the makeup she has and she needs in her day-to-day life. Okay, वो ज़्यादा मेकअप करना वैसे भी पसंद नहीं करती. I know that. My makeup is like 3 times larger than this, or maybe more than like 4 times larger than this. So yeah, small sa makeup pouch. So let's dig in. I'm pretty excited to see what all we have in here. So this is all of our makeup. मैंने दोनों हाथ में पूरा उनका मेकअप पकड़ लिया, इतना मेकअप है उनके पास. So मैंने अपना स्किन केयर ऑलरेडी कर लिया है. Let's start with makeup. So for primer, I have Wet n Wild Photo Focus Face Primer. This is a dewy finish primer. Now she has combination skin and she is using a dewy finish primer. Okay. So I'll be taking this much, okay, on my fingers and then warm it up a bit and apply this on my T-zone area. You know what? I've used this primer 1-2 बार and उसके बाद मैंने अपनी बहन को दे दिया था ये वाला primer because I realized कि this primer doesn't do much to my skin, but oh, it looks so dewy on my skin. So it's more like a luminous finish primer. That's the name also for the primer. And my skin is like shining now. Not bad actually, I like the finish of it. Okay, I approve this primer not for the filling up the pores but for that luminous effect. It is doing its job and my face is shining. Moving on, my sister doesn't own a foundation and she owns a color corrector and concealer. Now this is a medium 25 concealer. ये वो वाला concealer shade है जो मैं use करती हूँ अपने face को highlight करने के लिए. And my sister uses this to conceal her face. Okay, so you guys can see that how much of a difference we have in the skin tone. So मैं क्या करूँगी, मेरे पास भी Fit Me का concealer है, so मैं अपना Fit Me का concealer लेके आती हूँ and I will use that. And मेरे पास भी same color corrector है, so I'm going to be using my color corrector. Okay, so we won't be using my sister's base product. I mean, because we have like similar products, so I'm going to be using mine. So this is medium 25, okay, my sister's shade, and this is caramel 40. This is my shade. So you can actually see the difference in the color. This is caramel 40 and this is medium 25. So हम दोनों को use करेंगे आज. Okay, so I'm going to be using this concealer to color correct now. She also uses this around her lips and under her eyes. She has dark circles. That's why I've seen her doing that. So आज मैं इसे under eye पे भी use कर लेती हूँ थोड़ा सा. ठीक है, I usually don't use this under my eyes, but I'm going to be doing that. And now I'm using caramel 40 under my eyes, my T-zone area and around my lips and यहाँ पे भी. So now concealer लगाने के बाद we have to blend it and my sister doesn't have a foundation brush.
I have a foundation brush.
You have a foundation brush. तो लेके आ जाओ मेरे लिए foundation brush.
तू ही तो यूज कर रही है उसको.
मैं क्या यूज कर रही हूँ? I have so many foundation brush दीदी.
मैंने तो 1 साल से यूज भी नहीं किया उसको.
तो फिर we will consider this that you don't have a foundation brush अगर तुमने 1 साल से यूज नहीं किया foundation brush.
उसी में ही है foundation brush.
Is this your foundation brush, दीदी? This is the one that I gave you.
हाँ.
Okay, fine. So this is the one I gave to my sister. Okay, this is by Sani. But Didi, it's like cheating only, na? Because you don't use foundation brush on your face now. 1 साल से. What's the point now?
Shut up.
सब रिकॉर्ड हो गया है, ठीक है ना? And now I'm using medium 25 to highlight under my eyes. So my sister doesn't do this step कि वो एक ही कंसीलर यूज करती है. So the base is done. The base is very light. मैंने सिर्फ concealer use किया है. There is no foundation on my face, okay? And I've done like a sheer coverage on my cheeks also. To set my base in place, I'll be using Fit Me Compact Powder. Now this is my sister's shade. This is in the shade 130 Buff Beige, and this is gonna be so light for me. I know that for sure. Okay, let me just swatch it for you. This is going to be so light for me. So I have Fit Me 330 Compact Powder. This is mine. अब इसके साथ ये दिक्कत है कि ये ना थोड़ा सा डार्क है मेरे लिए. अगर मुझे मेरे फेस को सेट करना है तो I would prefer like one shade lighter than this. But because we have this only, so I'm going to be using this. So मैं use करने वाली हूँ Powder Puff. Okay. And I'll be taking this. And you know what? Let's just mix with this a bit. This compact powder. Okay, it worked. It worked beautifully, guys. Love it. And it's a good choice. You know, this Fit Me Compact Powder is a really good. It's finally meld. Moving on to contour now. So I'll be using this contour palette. ये मेरा हुआ करता था एक ज़माने में, but मैंने अपनी बहन को दे दिया ये, क्योंकि ये जो शेड है ना contour का, ये मेरे स्किन टोन के लिए बहुत ही ज़्यादा लाइट है. मेरे स्किन टोन पे दिखता ही नहीं था ये. Okay, let me swatch it. I mean, where's the pigment? I will try to use this, and she doesn't have a brush for contour. She does have two brush set. Okay, ये दोनों, and they both are like eyeshadow brushes. So we have to work with our fingers, and she also uses her fingers. उन्होंने मुझे बताया. I'm gonna make it work, you know. एकदम this contour is looking good. It's looking more of a bronzer on my face than contour. Moving on to blush now. ये वाला blush है मेरी बहन के पास, मैं वो use करूँगी. This is Contour de Force mini blush in the shade 01 Peach Peak. Okay, this is what the blush looks like. This is gonna be like mauvey pink on me, and she doesn't have a brush, तो मुझे fingers use करना पड़ेगा. Let's see how this performs on the face. It's pretty shade you all. सब कुछ हाथों से यूज़ करने में पता है आज क्या लग रहा है मुझे. पुराने दिन याद आ रहे हैं मुझे जब मेरे पास ज़्यादा पैसे नहीं हुआ करते थे to buy brushes and makeup, and I used to use my fingers to apply makeup. And my sister is a very minimalist person, you all. ऐसा नहीं कि she can't buy it, but she likes to keep her makeup and everything compact and minimalist. Okay, blush is done. I quite like this blush actually. And moving on to highlighter, now I'll be using this highlighter from this contour and highlighter palette. I like this highlighter. मैंने पहले भी यूज़ किया ये वाला highlighter अपने फेस पे. So मैं अपने हाईएस्ट पॉइंट पे इसे अप्लाई करूँगी, और highlighter मुझे वैसे ही फिंगर्स से अप्लाई करना पसंद है. So this is what the highlighter looks like. I love this highlighter. Okay, big problem आ चुकी है for this makeup tutorial, and this problem is just for me. My sister doesn't own any eyebrow product. She is blessed with bushy and feathery eyebrows. She has such beautiful eyebrows, you guys. So उनको कोई भी eyebrow product की ज़रूरत नहीं है. No eyebrow mascara and eyebrow pencil to fill up her eyebrows. But मुझे ज़रूरत है यहाँ पे. Okay. So what I've decided कि जब पूरा eye makeup कर लूँगी ना, उसके बाद mascara apply करूँगी, तो उसी को मैं थोड़ा सा अपने eyebrows में apply करके set कर दूँगी. अभी हम लोग करने वाले eye makeup. My sister doesn't like to do lot of eyeshadow वाले looks, but she loves eyeliner, and she has quite a collection of eyeliner, quite a collection, and two eyeshadow palette. This is Nika की Autumn Spice eyeshadow palette. Love this eyeshadow palette. Actually मैंने ही उन्हें ये eyeshadow palette दिया है. Okay, love the colors in this. And the other eyeshadow palette she has is Lakme Absolute Infinity eyeshadow palette. You know what? This is the very first time I'll be using this palette, and I'm going to use this one today. So first up, I'll be taking this mauvey color in this eyeshadow brush. This is my sister's eyeshadow brush. This is Pro Arte PF08. I'll be applying this on my crease. Then I'll be taking this purple color. It's a pigment, and then I'll be applying this on my eyelid. Whoa, that's pretty. अब मैं एजेस को ब्लेंड करने के लिए वही वाला ब्रश यूज़ कर रही हूँ. Now I'll be using this sponge वाला ब्रश जो इसी आई शेडो पैलेट के साथ आया था, और मैं ये डार्क पर्पल कलर पिक कर रही हूँ. And then I'll be applying this in here. Now I'm going to pinch my brush and apply all that color on my lower lash line. Alright, she has all these kajal pencils and I'm really impressed with her collection, you all. And उनके पास ये दो eyeliner है. This is the black one and this is the blue one. Okay, and can I just appreciate it? I mean, look at this, you all. This is the blue kajal. This is Sugar Twist and Shout Fade Proof Kajal 02. Still got the blues. And then she has 3 black kajals. इसका तो brand name पूरा निकल चुका है. This is by Faces Canada and this is by MAC Cosmetics. Okay. So what should be used today? And then there is a highlighter shade. I've used this once on my video actually. I bought it and then my sister took this because she really liked it. This one right here. My hand is very dry. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna apply the blue kajal on my lower lash line. And then I'm gonna smudge the edges with this brush, eyeshadow brush. So we have eyeliners now. This is a blue eyeliner by Faces Canada. This is what the eyeliner looks like. And this is a black eyeliner by Faces Canada again. And this is what the eyeliner looks like. So I'll be using the black eyeliner. And I've used this eyeliner before, but काजल मैंने कभी use नहीं किया था ये वाला. और काजल से तो मैं बहुत ज़्यादा impressed हूँ. Okay, eyeliner ना. Okay, now I remember why I stopped using this eyeliner. Oh my god, Niklo. Okay, after applying this eyeliner, I went from super sweet makeup and cute makeup to super dramatic makeup. I mean, look at my eyes. Product अच्छा है, but tip of this eyeliner, I just don't like it. Okay, so to curl my eyelashes, I'll be using Miniso eyelash color. This is my sister's. This is brand new and I have mine, so I'll be using mine. And they both are from Miniso, by the way. So for mascara, I'll be using Hypercurl mascara. I really like this mascara, you know, and this is the waterproof one. This is my sister's and I have washable one. So I'll be using mine. Mascara वैसे भी शेयर नहीं करना चाहिए. वैसे तो eyeliner और ये क्या काजल भी शेयर नहीं करना चाहिए, but मैंने आज apply कर दिया. Okay, I will sanitize your products, Dili. You know what guys, this eye makeup really calls for falsies, but नहीं हमारे पास falsies. So अब मैं अपने eyebrows को fill करूँगी using this same mascara. क्या करते हैं, पहले हम लोग एक clear wand लेके brush कर लेते हैं eyebrows को, फिर excess product remove करके let's see whether it will work or not. वैसे काम तो करना चाहिए. Okay, it kind of worked, kind of didn't. It doesn't look good with the eye makeup. Should I cheat? I'll be using my eyebrow product. I'm cheating a bit. Okay guys, I filled up my eyebrows and made them so freaking dramatic to match with the drama of my eyes. Loving the eyebrows now. Okay, I cheated a bit. For inner corners, I'll be using this kajal of hers. Okay, I like this kajal actually. It's very pretty and beautiful. Look at that. And ये मेरी sister को gift करने के बाद I was looking for this on Nykaa's website, but मुझे मिला नहीं दोबारा ये. By the way, this is by Essence. This is Essence Long Lasting Eye Pencil in the shade Money Penny. Love it. So moving on to last step, that is lipstick. And my sister has this 2 lipstick with her. इसके अलावा भी उनके पास दूसरे lipstick हैं. So this is Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink in the shade 160 Mover. So this is what the mover looks like. And this is Wet n Wild Give Me Mocha. This is what Give Me Mocha looks like. I think ये पहनना चाहिए मुझे. मैंने कभी शेड ट्राई नहीं किया है और मैं डायरेक्टली वॉन्ड का ना यूज़ करते हुए अपने फिंगर्स का यूज़ कर रही हूँ. Oh, she also has an eye pen, lip liner. I forgot to show you. This is the lip liner. This is in the shade Rich Chocolate by Maybelline. I really like this. You know, मेरे पास भी है same. I wish I could just use her wand to apply the lipstick, but I can't. So I'm using my fingers. Guys, this is the finished look. I feel like I need more blush on my face. I'll be applying more blush. So this was a makeup look for today, and with that I completed this challenge of me testing and trying my sister's makeup. जैसे कि मैंने आपको बताया, she is quite fairer to me, like 2 shades fairer to me. तो उनका base products मैं use नहीं कर सकती. Apart from base products like eye makeup और ये सारी चीज़ें मैं use कर सकती हूँ. And I'm so impressed with your makeup collection, दीदी. उनका makeup collection cute है, compact है, and बहुत ही minimal है. And she has everything that she needs and that works for her skin type and her facial features. I mean, आई कैन सी शी रियली लाइक्स डिफरेंट कलर के आई लाइनर्स जो कि वो डे टू डे बेसिस पे यूज़ कर सकती है. उनके पास 2 आई शेडो पैलेट हैं, यू नो, दैट शी कैन यूज़ फॉर ग्लैम अप मेकअप, पार्टी मेकअप. सो इफ यू वांट टू सी ऐसे और वीडियोस इन द फ्यूचर गाइज, डू लेट मी नो. अगर आपको आज का वीडियो पसंद आया देन डू मेक श्योर यू सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल फॉर ऐसे और कॉन्टेंट. लाइक दिस वीडियो, शेयर दिस वीडियो विद योर फ्रेंड्स एंड फैमिली, विद योर सिस्टर, कजिन्स, फ्रेंड्स, सबके साथ. एंड आई विल सी यू नेक्स्ट टाइम with brand new content for this channel. Bye bye y'all. Take care.